In this video, I'll be showing you guys on how to install a font on Mac. So let's get started. So first of all, you obviously have to download the font you want to use. So I want to download this font. So I'm just going to write Vibas new font download for Mac. Okay, I'm just going to open this website and I'm going to download it. Enter. Then I'm going to go here and I'm going to open it. Give me a second. Open with archive utility. Perfect. Now here, as you can see, I have the fonts. Now what I'm going to do is, it's usually the TTF one that you have to use. So I'm just going to right click, open, and I'm going to just wait for it, and I'm going to click on install. Now it should be installed. As you can see, the number just increased. Now I can confirm this by going to the font book right here, and I can try searching a Vibas, and there you go, the font I just downloaded is there, right there. Yeah, so this is how you can download a font on Mac, and I hope that this video has helped you out, and I'll be seeing you guys next time. Peace out.